Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Powerful Typhoon Mawar slams Guam in United States territory with the heavy rain and damaging winds. The governor of Guam urged residents to continue staying home for their protection and safety a day after the strongest storm to impact United States territory in the decades slammed into the island. The eye of Typhoon Mawar passed just north of the Guam, but the eyewall, the most powerful part of the storm, pelted the island with the hurricane force winds and heavy rain. On Wednesday, Guam Governor implored residents to stay at home until conditions are declared safe for travel. In a video conference on Thursday morning local time, the governor said the worst has gone by but continued to advise residents to stay home for your protection and for safety as the island experiences 40 to 50 miles per hour tropical winds. No storm-related deaths have been reported as of Thursday morning local time, the governor's press secretary said. The Guam International Airport recorded sustained winds of 71 miles per hour with a gust of 105 miles per hour Wednesday evening. As the storm passed north of the island, Mawar gained super typhoon status with 150 miles per hour winds according to the Joint Typhoon Warning Center. Mawar is now moving away from Guam, the National Weather Service in Guam said. The center of the storm was located about 55 miles northeast of the Guam and was moving northwest at sluggish 8 miles per hour, the latest tropical cyclone advisory said. The typhoon is expected to strengthen even further over the Thursday and Friday, and JTWC is forecasting the system to reach Category 5 hurricane intensity as it moves farther away from Guam. Even though the center of the storm's eye narrowly missed the island, most of its residents have lost power. Nearly all of the Guam Power Authority's circuits have been impacted by the storm and only about 1,000 of its 52,000 customers still had electricity, the authorities said in a statement on Facebook at around 6 p.m. Guam Memorial Hospital is currently operating on power from the standby generator it added. The United States territory of Guam is assessing the damage after Typhoon Mawar swept across the Pacific island, bringing torrential rain as well as tree-shedding winds and whipping up a storm surge that crashed through the coral reefs. The central and northern parts of the island were deluged to 60 centimeters of the rain as the storm's eye passed, a meteorologist with the National Weather Service told the Associated Press news agency. The territory's international airport flooded after the Category 4 storm made landfall, and Guam Power Authorities said tens of the thousands of the homes were without power on Thursday, although a total blackout had been avoided. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.